Okay, the objective of this video on prediction is to convey the basic idea of prediction informally and explain how we will use it in the modules that follow. Now, most people, when they hear the word prediction, think the future. You see a weather forecast and it predicts the weather up to a week in advance. You might see a climate model that predicts the temperature up to 100 years in advance. But prediction can cover any event that you don't know about. So, for example, in this game show, Let's Make a Deal, Monty Hall has put the prize behind one of these doors, and you don't know which. So your job making a prediction is to predict which door the prize is behind. If you have already become pregnant, but you don't know the gender of your baby, these Chinese statistical charts help you try to predict the gender of your baby even though it already exists. So a second idea we want to convey about the way we are going to use prediction involves what it is you're predicting. So in most cases, people think of prediction as guessing a particular outcome, like Obama won the presidential election or will win it, or it's going to rain. But the way we mean it involves predicting the chances of some outcome. So Nate Silver, who was very, very successful in predicting many of the states and how they came out in the presidential election in 2012, had a chart that he accompanied his blog or website with that tracked over time the chances of Obama winning, which was in the blue, and the chances of Romney winning with in the red. So as you can see from June onwards, if he had to choose, he would have said Obama is going to win. But across these different time periods, the chances that he would give Obama winning changed quite a lot. So in this particular event right here, there was a first presidential debate, and Romney did very well, Obama did very poorly, and so the chances of Obama winning went way down, even though he never had a lower chance of winning than Romney. So in general, prediction involves starting with some information about an input, let's call it X, and then using some method or some model, be it consulting a crystal ball, or using data mining or statistical algorithms, or even trusting your gut, to come out with a probability distribution for a target Y given any value you might observe among the inputs X. So to summarize, prediction applies to anything that's unknown, whether it's in the future or the past, and for our purposes, prediction involves modeling the probability of a target and not the value. So informally, one variable predicts another Y if learning something about X can provide information about the probability of Y.